Meaning of express lane.
Express lane.
Express lane.
Express lane.
Express lane. Express lane refers to a designated lane or route in a store, road, or other location that allows for faster movement compared to regular lanes. It is typically intended for customers who have fewer items to purchase or who require quicker service. Express lanes are commonly found in supermarkets and on highways. The purpose of an express lane is to reduce the waiting time for customers who need to make quick transactions. The use of express lanes can also help to increase customer satisfaction and improve overall efficiency.